CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.10 Given a scenario, install and configure browsers and relevant security settings. Password managers. Password managers are essential tools that can significantly improve your online security by helping you create, store, and manage strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. A password manager is a software application that securely stores your login credentials in an encrypted format. It acts like a digital vault, keeping all your passwords safe in one place while allowing you easy access to them when needed. Using a password manager reduces the risk of using weak or reused passwords, which are common mistakes that make accounts vulnerable to hackers. Instead, it allows you to generate complex passwords for each of your accounts, making it harder for attackers to break in, even if one account is compromised. Password managers also eliminate the need to remember multiple passwords since they can automatically fill in your login details for websites and apps. This feature not only boosts your security but also saves time. Beyond password storage and generation, many password managers offer additional features to enhance your security. For instance, they can securely store sensitive information like credit card details, private notes, and even documents. Some password managers will also notify you if a saved password has been exposed in a data breach, prompting you to update it. Others offer secure password sharing, allowing you to share account access safely with family, friends, or colleagues without revealing the actual password. Integrating a password manager into your daily routine can greatly improve both security and convenience. Whether built into your web browser, part of your operating system, or a standalone app, a password manager is a simple but powerful way to manage your digital identity more securely. It encourages good password habits, protects against common cyber threats, and reduces the chances of unauthorized access to your accounts. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.